In today's class, we are going to understand closure property for rational numbers. The four operations, the first one is addition. Closure property for addition says that sum of two rational numbers is always a rational number. We take a rational number 3 divided by 8 and add it to another rational number minus 5 divided by 7. That is 3 divided by 8 plus minus 5 divided by 7. Plus of minus becomes minus, so 3 divided by 8 minus 5 divided by 7. First, we need to take LCM of 8 and 7. LCM of 8 and 7 is 56. This 56 is multiplied to each term, that is 3 divided by 8 into 56. 8 ones are 8, 8 sevens are 56. So 7 threes are 21. Next, minus 5 divided by 7 into 56. 7 ones are 7, 7 eights are 56, 8 fives are 40, plus into minus is minus, so minus 40. See, 21 plus of minus 40 divided by 56, plus into minus becomes minus, so 21 minus 40 divided by 56. That is 21 minus 40 is minus 19. Minus 19 divided by 56, it is a rational number. So the result is also rational number. The sum of the two rational numbers is always a rational number. So the result is also rational number. So I can say that for addition, closure property holds good in case of rational numbers, or we can say that rational numbers are closed under addition. Next one is closure property for subtraction. Closure property for subtraction says that difference of two rational number is always a rational number. We look at another example. Let's say minus 5 by 7 and we are subtracting 2 by 3, that is minus 5 by 7 minus 2 by 3. Here also same thing. First we need to take LCM of 7 and 3. Since 7 and 3 are prime numbers, we can multiply directly. 7 threes are 21. So LCM is 21. LCM is multiplied to each term. Minus 5 by 7 into 21. 7 ones are 7, 7 threes are 21. 5 threes are 15, plus into minus is minus, so the answer is minus 15. Then second term is 2 by 3 into 21. 3 ones are 3, 3 sevens are 21, so 7 twos are 14. Minus 15 minus 14 divided by 21. So minus 15 and minus 14 becomes minus 29 divided by 21. So the result is also a rational number. So we find that closure property holds good, or we can say that closure property is true for subtraction in case of integers. We find that rational numbers are closed under subtraction, or we can say, since 7 and 3 are prime numbers, we can multiply directly. 7 threes are 21 and we can do the cross multiplication, that is 5 threes are 15, that becomes minus 15. 7 2s are 14, so that is minus 14. Minus 15 minus 14 is equal to minus 29 divided by 21. Minus 29 divided by 21 is also rational number. So subtraction holds good. Next one is closure property for multiplication. This is third case. Let's see, product of two rational number is always a rational number. Let's multiply 3 by 7 and 2 by 5. 3 by 7 is a rational number and 2 by 5 is also a rational number. When we multiply this, we get 3 by 7 into 2 by 5, that is equal to 6 by 35. In multiplication, we can directly multiply the two rational numbers. So, multiplication of two rational number is again a rational number. So, closure property holds good in case of multiplication, or we can say that rational numbers are closed under multiplication. What about division? Let's say minus 5 by 3 is divided by 2 by 5. Minus 5 by 3 is divided by 2 by 5. Numerator is minus 5 by 3 and denominator is 2 by 5. Here we need to take reciprocal of the denominator. So 2 divided by 5 becomes 5 divided by 2. When we take reciprocal, division becomes multiplication. So minus 5 by 3 into 5 by 2. Now we can multiply directly. Minus 5 into 5, 25. Minus into plus minus. So minus 25. 3 2s are 6. So minus 25 by 6. So the answer is minus 25 by 6. This is in the form of P by Q. This is a rational number. If you operate for same thing with 0, that is a divided by 0 or any number 5 divided by 3 divided by 0, anything divided by 0 is not defined and therefore it is not a rational. Since this does not hold true for 0, therefore we can say rational numbers are not closed under division, or we can say we find that for any rational number a divided by 0 is not defined, so rational numbers are not closed under division. Thank you.